A very good morning to everyone. So today we have Mrs. Roshni, the parent of Sherwin, who's joining us to give her feedback and testimonial about the D-Learners screening intervention platforms. So, Roshni ma'am, thank you so much for attending the call today with us and accepting to give us a feedback about Sherwin's improvement, about D-Learners and everything. To start with, I would like to ask you.
My name is Roshni David, and my son name is Sherwin Arokiraj, who is studying in third standard in Don Bosco Egmo. See, first of all, I would like to say, in this start of the initial stage of the school period, academic year, I found him very difficult in learning and reading and writing. All these ratios were, what to say, he was very much finding him very difficult, and to sit in one place, he was having a very tough time. So meanwhile, I was searching is there any online portal to teach my son about the easy way of learning and fun time of learning and effective time to spend with him. So meantime, I know Mrs. Lucy, who is what is that special educator in your D-Learners team, it seems. One day when we'll frequently meet in church. So that time when I went to church, I was telling him Sherwin is very mischievous in the class and he's very naughty. It seems I'm getting frequently complaint from the class teachers, like saying that he's not writing properly. His handwriting is very worse, and he's not sitting in one place. He's always roaming around. He's disturbing the kids, and is not concentrating in the class. Like, lots and lots of complaint I was facing from the school side. So I was telling her, like, I'm facing very tough time to handle him. I really don't know what to do. So I am searching for a portal where I can put him and make him learn in a easy way and to have a fun time learning, like that I was telling her. And he was not aware of the sounds like phonics and all those sounds familiar. He was not that much good in the phonics sounds. So I was telling her I was searching for a phonics classes. So ma'am said, why don't you put in this D-Learners, where he's not that he is not able to learn. He's having some kind of talent where you can find out from this portal. She gave me she only said me. She didn't force me, or else she didn't what to say, you please come and meet. That is all was not the conversation. She just said me, like, you just, why don't you try. Then I contact ma'am. Okay ma'am, I just have a conversation with my husband, and he said, okay, why don't we give a try. Then only I started approaching D-Learners, and they gave me a very what to say, a fantastic feedback from this, and a very good support from D-Learners. Today I am here because Sherwin is shining like anything. I really feel a drastic change in his character, learning, writing, drawing, and his what to say, they'll say some like creativity, thinking. Everything is Sherwin is thinking extraordinary. He's having extraordinary talent in him, and these people are what to say, they are seeing my son as a hero. I really see. If you if you ask me anything, I would really have tears in my eyes. I really what to say. I'm very thankful to Lucy ma'am showing me a very good path in it. So this is the way I found out D-Learners. First, I would say you have contacted me and explaining about the trial classes. First, you go through that, and then you can decide upon the trial versions, you said me. Then I said, okay. Then another educator, I'm not very much aware of her name, I'm sorry. She, one who spoke first the analysis, how, what was his level exactly. So first of all, she went on him. She asked many levels was there, like many skills and many games and everything was there. Arithmetic, reading, writing, and learning, everything was there. So first of all, they just judged the kid. They had a small kind of analysis. Then after that they gave me a trial classes. Like after that they just called me and asked us to take this portal. Like they himself called us, and I suppose you are the one who person who called me, and all those software related giving me the link and installing, configuring the portal in my system is all were done by you people only. Nothing. The only thing I gave my laptop. That is what I did. Other all those stuffs all were taken by your people, and after that the analytical was done, and then you have given me one app. They asked me to go through it. That is parent.
D-Learner's parent app.
Yes, parent app. And I went on it. I filled all those stuffs, all those questionnaire what you people are asking me, and I have done with it. And then after that, Sherwin was being done an analysis, and after that, you people installed all those online portal link and everything. You people installed me, and then we have started attending the classes. See, it is nothing a matter of money. Literally, I'm telling you, D-learners are what to say. It is not a matter of money, and they are not very much important about the money. They are not giving an attention for the money. The only thing they are seeing is the child's talent, the kid's development, and everything only they are seeing. When the first day after the screening, when I asked Sherwin to attend the class, I was sitting next to him. He enjoyed himself in the class. Really, I'm telling, where he during the COVID period also, we were having all sorts of online classes, but that time he will not sit in the class at all. I faced the problems of the COVID pandemic time, the online sessions of schools. No, I really had a very bad time those time in that period. But when you people after the screening, they gave us the trial sessions. He was really having a fun time level. Like what to say, there are I suppose there is a brain gym, and after that the remedial. So when the brain gym came, he never thought like it is a class where we have a well we meet all the different kinds of children, and we do exercises and we play around. He never expected those, and even this is the first time I'm seeing a portal where they can give this much of effort for the child's growth. Nothing in the matter of paying money or everything. Even like when I paid the money, I really felt that Sherwin is in the hands of a like what to say, he's in the hands of the angels. So where they can bring him up like a very shining star, like where they can bring him up like a very talented kid. I was very much happy after paying the money. I was very much satisfied that okay, now everything is done with me. There is nothing in my hand now. He's taking care of his classes, he's taking care of all the homeworks and everything. So before paying the money and after paying the money, before paying the money, I was happy, like where something is going to learn a very precious thing. And after paying the money, I felt like now Sherwin is complete now. He is going to have a very good time where he'll face everything in his life. Like he's going to learn a very great things now from here afterwards. I felt Really, we are not that much aware of how to connect and what to connect and how to get into through it. So that is you. And so friendly, like telling ma'am, no problem, ma'am. We will check everything. We will take the speed test. We will have it, and we will help you out, ma'am. You no need to worry. Even if you have any problem in the laptop, you just tell us, ma'am. We will do it. We'll sort it out for you. Is first of all you. The second is Nivedita and Aparna, the two persons who are coordinating with me
Niveta.
every moment. Okay, whenever I am having some sort of personal work or any other, we have to go, or else an important, we are traveling or anything. If I call them and tell, they will no problem, ma'am. They are very soft-hearted and telling me, no problem, ma'am. We'll take care and we'll reschedule the class. And first thing, I am not aware of your people at all. I was seeing only Lucy ma'am, who I know her very much well. So I thought like only ma'am is going to take the class, so no problem. Where Sherwin has also met her every Sundays, we'll go to church. So we met her. So we thought, okay. And after that, you people were saying that Sri Vidya ma'am. I thought, some ma'am, I don't know who is she, how she is going to handle him and how he is going to mingle with her. I was really worried. You will not believe. Now, she is literally a fairy lady for Sherwin. Whatever, if I say him, if you're not going to do it, I'm going to tell Sri Vidya ma'am, means he will do it on the minute. Right now, he will do it. And if even some things he will not share to me, but he will surely share to Sri Vidya ma'am. She is like a person, like how to handle the kid. And not only Sri Vidya ma'am, I hope so. By seeing her itself, I can now come to a mindset like everyone, each and everyone in D-learners are like that. They are very much aware how to handle the kid, when to handle, what to handle, like what is the ratio of them, like how will they take care of the kid, and like what all things if we say the kid will answer. How to react with them. She is so patient. I'm literally telling you, so she is having so much of patience with them. He will say a lot of stories. He will say, ma'am, we will play. Okay, we will play. Okay, we will study. Okay, we will study. Okay, now you write. Okay. So much of patience with Sri Vidya ma'am. And now he is having some sort of personal bonding, like personal in the sense, he is so much attached to her. Where something happens to Sri Vidya ma'am, he will literally cry now. And now he is telling he wants to meet her directly one time at least. And he wants to gift her, it seems. Lots of stories he is having for Sri Vidya ma'am. Now, so that is a single word for, according to Sherwin, Sri Vidya ma'am is a fairy lady. So he is telling like, I want to take Sri Vidya ma'am to the class and I want to show her to everyone. She is my ma'am. She is taking care. She is like a friend to him. Now, my part is also getting like I'm getting like what to say. First, for Sherwin is Sri Vidya ma'am, then only I am coming inside. I feel really happy about that. Whatever, if I'm having small problems or anything, if I tell her, she will say, you don't worry, you please carry on, I'll take care of you. And if in spite of, there is a difference of me saying and the way she says to him, it's like he's getting into it easily. The way she says like, okay, Sherwin, you should do like this. You're a good boy. You're a smart boy. Like that, if she says, he's getting into it easily. So I find very much comfortable and very much happy to say that I really thank God, like I got Sri Vidya ma'am as a tutor for him. Like he's enjoying his classes nowadays in Sri Vidya ma'am. She's taking care of him very well.
So, if you remember, what is that one incident which Sherwin told you, which you felt, wow? Now you said me that she God gifted special educator and everything. So, can you share us with one experience where, some detailed experience where you felt, wow, what a special educator she is? That's a very good bonding. Anything like that do you have, ma'am?
See, if it is one thing I can say, like any one experience, each and every session we'll have a great experience. You won't believe. Whatever sessions he have, he will have weekly 3 sessions of Sri Vidya ma'ams and 3 sessions of Bharati ma'am of Brain Gym. So whenever he finishes a session, he will take his laptop and go show his creativity. he will do something for her, like a boat or else any drawing or anything. She will see so patiently. Even sometimes even I don't have that patience. She will literally have that patience. So in that point of time, I understood that Sherwin is very much attached to her. So I don't think so. Like every children will say like this, like to an educator, to a tutor, like saying, "Ma'am, you don't worry." And if we something, and he will say that only ma'am should come for the class, not any other ma'am. So I was very much desperate that please don't send any other ma'am than Srividya ma'am, because he is only attached to him. He don't want to go. And sitting in one place. But in D-learners, the children are ready to sit for more than 1 hour also in laptop. If you ask them to sit for online classes, they are ready. Okay, I will attend. How many classes also I did, because it's all fun time learning. So apart from that, physical is very much interested for them. So she will each and every there 4 types of exercises are there. So she will ask them to do all those exercises first, and each and every day she will bring some new topic and new ideas where they will learn many things. Like she will ask to find out some colors or else some storytelling, and ask some picture she will put out, and she will ask to say the what all you saw in the pictures, so which they will have a much concentration, and they will involve themselves very much in the time that in that session. They will sit and they will very much he will not get distracted, because he needs to answer what is happening. So ma'am is going to say something where we need to answer. She will give chances for each and every kid, like playing. Now Sherwin should say first, another person, so they will be having a direct interaction where the children will have a chances to answer properly. And they say that it's like a quiz program where the children is very much interested to answer. Sherwin will always put up his hand, ma'am I will say, ma'am I will say. Okay, then he will answer. In that kind of things will happen in the brain gym. So where they will train and exercises which is like super brain yoga and cross crawling, like breathing exercises. All those exercises are given in the brain gym sessions, where the children will get into not only learning and not only sitting in laptop, but also some exercises where for the physical workouts for everything the brain gym will have. When first he thought that some exacting gifts we are going to get from D-learners. When he opened it, and he said that these are the books, okay. And when he found those stickers, that well done, good job, great job, all those stickers, no, he's enjoying that stickers. Like whenever he does a great work, ma'am will ask, go bring that stickers, stick it in your book. and he's very much happy with that. And that some cardboard like display, like your
Reading window.
that I am not aware of that name, that it displays that Sherwin is, you're a rock star, which always keeps on saying that Sherwin is a star, Sherwin is a star, which makes him so proud that okay. So these kind of stuffs were there in the kit, and it is very much useful. There is an activity part of book is there, and the stickers, and also a memento like display card, and everything is very much attracting the kids. Like it's a easy way, like all those activity, all those phonic sounds and everything, that book has been clearly mentioned. Easy, it is very easy for a kid to have it learnt and to write. Writing practice also is there given, like 3 lines is there, 3-line writing practice also is there, so it is very easy for the kid to go into it. Sound like A for A, B for B, all those kinds. Sherwin was not aware of those sounds. After this programs and sessions, now he is very much familiar in the sounds. Now he started learning not only the sounds, he started reading. Reading in the sense, now he will, if we see a word, he will just use those sounds. He will use for A for ab, B for B, on what word is this? Okay, k, ab, like that. The way they taught itself, the same thing is just putting into his effort. So I didn't expect like this kind of output I will get it. Like what to say, we were struggling to teach him, see many YouTube phonics songs and everything were there. But when he get into this like easy method, like where Srividya ma'am gave him from the initial stage, now he is able to read everything. In the initial stage, he will not sit and write it. Okay. Now, in the class, teacher itself is telling me like Sherwin's handwriting is improved now, and also his writing speed has been increased. When I joined the school, like June month, they started the school. In those time all, he will not complete his notes, like whatever they are writing in the school, he will not complete it and come. Now it is everything. We no need to ask any parent. Like now, some parents are coming and asking me, like, can you give me the notes? Sherwin is completed, I know, so you can give me. So this is the change I am finding him. One period, I was asking the parents to give me the notes. Now Sherwin is giving the notes for the children's. I really feel very happy, and I really feel proud that Sherwin has improved like this, from this stage to this stage. He was 0 in the initial. Now he has only 6 months is completed. There is a drastic change. Like what to say, how to write, and what is the speed now. Like he's writing it fast now, and reading also. Now he started reading. He will not try at all. Like in the initial stage, he will not take the book and he will not read at all. Now, if I give any story books, like small times of story books or anything, he will really try. What is the word? Like he will split up those words and he will try completing the words fully. He's just now started reading, and his reading and writing is what to say, we have a drastic change, and we are feeling it very good. Like it's changed. And learning part, coming to learning part, Sherwin will not sit at all for learning. Whenever I say, Sherwin, shall we learn? No, I want to go to restroom. I'm feeling thirsty. I'm hungry. All these sorts of excuses he will give. Now, like he found the concept of learning. Like this is the part. Now, it is very easy for him to, if I say like after finishing the class, you need to learn for only 1 hour, whereas this is only you're going to learn. I will teach you like this way, you finish it up. Now he comes, he himself will say that, Mummy, after remedial, I will have a 10 minutes break and I will finish learning, and then I will go to sleep. Okay. Now he himself is interested to learn, sit and learn, finish whatever we are giving him in a day, he will learn and he will finish it off and he will go to sleep. So learning part is also changed a lot. So learning, reading, writing is changed. Arithmetic wise, he used to what to say he's into addition well, so he used to do it arithmetic also well. Now he used to he have learned to see the time and everything, all those stuffs all like these are all the arithmetic part examples, like where he has learned. And if we give any money and we need to get anything from the shop, he will go, he will get it, and he will come back. So arithmetic part also is good for us. So reading, writing, learning arithmetic is fine. In that way, like Sherwin is very sensitive. Yeah. If someone is not talking to him, if someone is ignoring him, he will feel very down and he will cry. Yeah. Nowadays, I'm not finding that. Okay, if he's not coming, I have some other play. I will go and play. I'm not worried about that. So that much of confident level he's getting now. And interpersonal skill is he will be so aggressive. When before all I used to get complaints like he's very arrogant and he's very, now he's very soft. I suppose something they have found from D-learners, they have found some sort of characters and they have taken from him now, it seems. I am not very sure. So now it has been what to say, Sherwin is very happy and very soft now. Whatever we ask, he will do. Now he is so responsible also. Whatever we say, he will go and get it. Now we need not to say each and every time, or else two times, three times, nothing like that. If we say once, he will listen and he will do it. So those kind of skills all has been developed great in Sherwin now. I really I feel very happy about that. Like some children will not listen also. Whatever you say, I am not going to do it. Now I'm not finding that kind of difficulty part all. Sherwin is perfect now. I like, Sherwin, you please do it. Okay, mommy, I will do it. Go have your bath. Okay. So he's taking his own responsibility and doing everything, and he's having the confidence that I am going to do this. You can. And the way I expose that you will, Sherwin, you can. If I say, he will do it completely. Okay, I am very much confident. And recently also he participated in the speech competition in the school, and he was given a very good what to say, applause, like he's done a great. And Sherwin is doing this much, really we didn't expect that he will do. He learned and he had a speech for a Tamil book fest, and he did well. He was very confident in speaking, and now it is that part is also like interpersonal skill also is been developed much. So I'm happy about that also.
So one thing I have realized through this entire conversation is that you are an amazing and a wonderful mother to Sherwin. I don't think Sherwin is actually blessed to get such a supportive mother who has been with him through his ups and downs and everything, seriously, because out there I don't think everybody will get some a mother who's so supportive to Sherwin, because I think even in third standard you have tried all the ways. You have been in, when it comes to praying to the Almighty, when it comes to talking to him, when it comes to doing his responsibilities, because as a housewife I know what are the responsibilities you carry. Developing Sherwin is not the only task you have. You have n number of other tasks, and you have still done it. So I would like to congratulate you from the bottom of my heart for all the efforts you've taken as a parent, as
I'm very sure like Sherwin is going to say at one point of time, like I am the one who came from D-learners. He's going to say aloud, I don't know, by God's grace, he will say in between of 1,000 people also. He will shine like that. I'm very sure. So I want this to continue. It is not a matter of he's not going to learn or no. Even next year, even when he goes to the 10th standard, he will ask an help from you all. Say, like, ma'am, because you are having that kind of level of teachers, if I am right. So he will ask an help, sir, how I'm going to learn this, what is the way of learning, and a method, easy method of learning the formulas, easy method of writing it, yeah, like that sort of things is going to. So I am sure that I will continue. So it is up to God's hand, how long it's going to go. So I'm going to continue for his growth, his happiness, not even growth, for his happiness. He's very much happy and and me videos what she's sharing, and what is the applications, what is she using,
Games, live
to
worksheets.
worksheets, live worksheets. It is very what to say, it is like a fun, it is like a game for him. Whenever he completes a word, they will give chocolates, it seems. I didn't say it is not live chocolate, it is
Virtual chocolates.
chocolates flows and stars. So he's very happy in that. Oh, it is nothing like learning, it is a game. We're going to catch this, we're going to find this, we are going to say where it is. So it is like a gaming. So the children very much attached. Nowadays the children are only attached for that game level approach, not like learning all. So it is like a cartoon level, it is like a fun time of this applications and a live worksheets, all he's enjoying himself. And even we find it very easy for us to what to say, nothing we should do, everything is ma'am only takes care. When she share the screen, he will ma'am will ask, ma'am will give the control, mouse control to him. So he is very much comfortable to type or else to click on that to give the next option. Everything has been done by Sherwin and ma'am only, nothing we need to do. That is what I'm telling. Only thing, there is a battery charge in the laptop, there is a net connection in the laptop, that is enough. Okay, fine, okay, go sit here, I will just log in and give him and I'll do. He will complete and he will come out of the is to be is what de-learners have found. I have learned many things from you people, like taking him. This is the way we should, what to say, we should guide the children, not keep on grumbling them. Do this, do that, do this, do that. Always keep on grumbling. No, it is not like that. See the way you should handle the kids is you should say always like I am there for you in whatever the whatever situation comes, whatever ups and downs if they face, I am there for you. So you don't worry. Even I face a lot of problems in handling him. I really have a very tough time to face what the society gives, how the society sees Sherwin. Okay, he's always a naughty boy who will not sit in one place. But now I feel like he's nothing much naughty. This is his own spirit. He's having some and drastic energy where he's playing. That is all. Nothing like he's very naughty or. Sherwin is unique. That is all. Like he's having some sort of he's having some unique character. So that is what this D-learners had made me to find. If at all, I will also be a parent like what others all, how the society will see you. This society is telling my son is always naughty, he's not writing, he's not studying, he's not learning, he's not concentrating in anything. I will also be worried about that. But it is not like that. I feel okay. Sherwin will come. Sherwin is going to come. Sherwin is coming now. He's on the way. He will reach the goal. So I'm happy about that. And I'm really feeling, a complete, okay, nothing is going to happen. Whatever these people say, Sherwin is unique and he's a precious gift from God for us. So I am happy with it. What else? Giving him more support in each and everything. Even sometimes I feel very down about his activities or anything. But still, I will get an advice from Srividya ma'am and Lucy ma'am all saying that nothing to worry. He will come up. Don't worry. So the energy what they give me also is a very great thing for me. So I feel very happy and very much thankful for to you people all for bringing me here and to even this session for asking me, taking me to this level is also I feel very happy and I feel very proud about my kid that he one who brought me here. Okay. I am 35 now. Till now I have not even shared my own experience or anything, but I'm feeling happy to share as a mom of Sherwin. It's because of Sherwin and it's because of D-learners. I'm really thankful to you people. Feel like third standard is late for us. Okay, you people should find out what the child really needs for them. Okay, exactly what the kid actually requires from you people, from the parents. Okay, first of all, give your valuable time to the children. How to, if you find you parent will be very much aware of what is your child is about, like activities wise and their behavior wise and their academy wise, each and every part as a parent you will be very much aware of it. So once you find the children is finding a difficult in writing part, when he is finding difficult to hold the pencil, in that point of time I am I am telling you all to please take a effort of finding like a platform like D-learners, reaching them and telling them, okay, my kid is having some kind of trouble in writing, holding the pencil. I am telling them to come in that time of moment itself. See, 8th standard all, I feel I don't know how you people are going to you people will be having a great challenge of bringing that kid. Okay, I know you will also bring that kid. I really am having that confidence, but I find it's late. Okay, So in that initial stage itself, you all going to screen your children, like having this like analysis classes and speaking to the educators, or having the coordination with the people like this, or searching through any social media or anything. So when you come to know that there is a portal like this, you please have a look and get into it. And first of all, by having the remedial sessions, all like, it is nothing like you're going to put into your, like, you don't feel like, oh, my kid is having any problem, I'm going to put into like this kind of portal, or nothing like your kid is having a problem. You're going to show your kid something unique where the other people is not going to see. The way of seeing your kid is going to change. Okay, all will sail in, like, if all kids are running, your kid will be having some other thing where he will find another way, but he will reach the path. So in that, to reach that, to find that, you can come here and you can get into it. And I'm giving an advice to come early itself. So when you reach them early, they will screen the kid, and they will give they will see what is the level of the kid, and they will be finding it difficult to handle the kid easy in a immediate way of action. They can take it and they will handle the kid. But late progress, I don't know who is going to get into it, but that is also not a problem. You will be having some sort of formulas to give them and reach them their path. So that kind of tutors you will be having and giving. So I'm telling all the parents who are having a problem, and the kids who are finding it difficult learning, writing, reading, please do have a look on this, like D-learners, like you have a word with them. You first screen the kid, and then you can start the sessions out to the satisfaction of full heart. I'm saying that you can immediately put your kid in this portal or anything. Like, there they will take in charge of the kid, and you will need not, your part is only to interrogate with them, speak to them, and what is your schedule time and when is your comfortable time, give them. So then they will take care of your kid. You need not even, nowadays I'm really telling you, I'm not sitting with Sherwin. Only the part of technical, like the software logging and connecting with the internet, only that part I'm doing it. Other all he's taking care. Even for typing everything, handling the mouse, handling the laptop, everything is the kid is. So that much of effort the D-learners are putting for the kid to handle the handle the system itself. They are giving that much of effort. So you need not worry. So I'm giving an advice to a parent that please have a time with your kid, spare a time, find out what is the exact problem with them. If your kid is having a problem in writing or reading or learning, please you look for the this D-learners team, and you approach them, and you will give the proper guidelines for the kid, and you take them to that level. Instead of searching, instead of putting them into a tuition where they can learn, instead of giving them writing grip pencil to write, and that is not the way to take the kid. What is the exact problem? He's finding it difficult to write. What is the easy way of method? What is the starting process of putting the lines in this way, strokes or curves, and like that? From step by step, we can go from here. Instead of having what the society says you should take like that is not going to help your kid. Only the part is you can sit with them, analyze what is the problem, speak to these people, and put them exactly what they require.
All right. So thank you so much, ma'am. You have been patient in answering all the questions and everything. So, I hope we have a fruitful association for Sherwin, like you said, more and more years to come. And we'll be the happiest when Sherwin comes out with flying colors. Like you said, he's not going to speak in front of 1,000 people. He's going to speak in front of 10,000 more people, and he's going to say that I am a proud different learner, right, from D-learners. So you have been an amazing, mother and the support to D-learners as well. So thank you so much for your time on the call today.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk in front of in this screen. This is my first experience, and I'm very much thankful to. I'm very, very thankful to Lucy ma'am in this time. Without her, I'm not here now before you all. So I'm very much thankful to Lucy ma'am and to you sir for taking me to join this session. Also you helped me out a lot. So you do like this ma'am, you do like this so you are such a technical support and software support for my son. And Nivedita ma'am and Aparna ma'am or like the schedule for the classes and everything, and Bharati ma'am for him like a physical fitter for him, okay, physical trainer and everything, so he will enjoy whatever. And for him like Bharati ma'am is also like so friendly. And last but not least, my dear fairy tale ma'am Srividya ma'am for him. So I am very much thankful to you people all, and to the D-learners. Your platform is doing amazing thing for the kids. I pray Almighty that you people should discover more childrens to help out how they should find a path in learning and all those difficulties. And you people are doing a very great job by doing such kind of taking much effort in helping out the kids. How should they come out? How should they shine? Like all those stuffs. All you're taking part. You people are doing very your valuable time, your effort. It's not only working, sir. I'm telling you, it is where you are having a relationship with the child. It is not with the it is not like a job oriented work. It is like a character of the kid and your platform. You're bringing them like you're the you're like a seed for the upcoming trees. So I hope you all should do. I pray Almighty that everyone in D-learners be like you all should live and long live healthy and happy life, and you all should give us a great support for our children's, many children's like the Sherwin. So I very much thankful for D-learners, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Those words were very kind. Thank you so much for participating today.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.